Today we are going to discuss about the worksheet 2.4 D2H Romans. So in D2H Roman, D Roman we are going to discuss. So in D Roman, round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. So already we discussed about this in the course book. So how to round up the given numbers to nearest tens means what we have to do? We have to check ones place number. If ones place number is greater than or equal to 5 means we have to round to up. Otherwise the number is ones place, the number in ones place is less than 5 means we have to round to down. So now I am going to explain the first one here. First one 33 is given. So for 33 we are going to write the nearest tens for 33. 33 means in 3 ones place 3 and tens place also 3 is there. So when you are going to write the rounding up to the nearest tens means you observe the ones place. So what is the ones place number? 3 is there. 3 is less than 5. Less than 5 means the tens place will be rounded to down. Rounded down means 30 will become 31. Like that you have to round up the number. And now I am going to explain the another one here. Sixth one. So 70,965 is there. Now we are going to round up to nearest tens means we have to observe the ones place. Ones place, what number is there in ones place? 5 is there. 5 is equal to 5. So if ones place number is equal to 5 or greater than 5 means the tens place will be rounded up. Rounded up means 60 is there, no? 60 will become 70. Remaining numbers, there is no change in the remaining numbers, but tens place number 60 will become 70 and ones place will become 0. Like that you have to arrange 70,970. That's enough. Like that you have to round up to the nearest tens. Understood? Now I am going to explain the E Roman. In E Roman, round up the following numbers to the nearest hundreds. So hundreds place means when you are going to round up the hundreds place means, so we have to observe the tens place number. So what is the tens place number in the given number? So first I am going to explain first term here also. 147 is given. So in 147 we are going to round up to the hundreds place number. So hundreds place number we are going to round means what place we have to observe? Right side of the hundreds place tens place is there, no? That tens place we have to observe. What is the tens place number? 4. 4 is less than 5. Less than 5 means what we have to do? We have to round to down. Round down means 100 will become 100 only. Understood? So it will become 100. When you are going to round up to the nearest hundreds means we have to observe the tens place, and when you are rounded to the hundreds means the tens and ones place will be 0. Understood? Okay. Next I am going to explain the sixth one in this Roman also. What is the sixth one here? 70,293 there. So here we are going to observe that tens place again. So hundreds place we are going to round means tens place we have to observe. Tens place 9 is there. 9 is greater than 5. So greater than 5 means the hundreds place will be rounded to up. Rounded up means 200 will become 300. So after tens hundreds place number will be same. 70,000 we have to write 70,000. That hundreds place will become 300 and ones and tens place will become zeros. Which place we are going to round? After that places will be zeros. Understood? You are going to round the hundreds place means up to hundreds place only you have to write the numbers. After that hundreds place all numbers will become zeros. Now we are going to discuss about the F Roman. In F Roman, round off the following to the nearest thousand. So when you are going to round up to the nearest thousands means you have to observe the right side of the thousands. The hundreds place will be there, no? That hundreds place we have to observe. Okay. So now I am going to explain the first one here. 1111 is given. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands are there. So when you are going to round up to the nearest thousands means observe the hundreds place. Hundreds place what number is there? 1 is there. 1 is less than 5. Less than 5 means the thousands place will be rounded to down. Rounded to now down means 1000 will become 1000 only. Understood? When we are going to round up to the nearest 1000 means after 1000 places remaining places will be zeros. Okay? Remaining places will be zeros. Now coming to the sixth one. So we are going to round up to the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands means what place we have to observe? Hundreds place. Hundreds place 6 is there. 6 is greater than 5. So that we have to round to up. So thousands place will be round to up. Up means 3000 will become 4000. Understood? 3000 will become 4000, and before the thousands place numbers you can write as usually, and after the thousands place will be zeros. All the places will become zeros. So here 3,13,000 will become 14,000. Here 3,000 will become 4,000. No? So you can write as 13 as 14,000, and remaining places will be zeros. You have to write the places in ones, tens, hundreds place you have to fill with zeros. Understood? Like this you have to complete the round of numbers in D, E, F Romans. Okay? D Roman nearest tens, E Roman nearest hundreds, and F Roman nearest thousands. Okay? Now we are going to discuss about G Roman. And G Roman we are going to write the Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic numbers are given. We are going to write the Roman numeral for that. In this Roman I am going to explain the first one. What is the first one here? 216. 216 is there. So we are going to write the Roman numeral for this means first you have to do the sums in the notebook, then you have to write the copy the answer in that blank in the given in the application book. First you have to write this number, you have to solve this number in the rough book or notebook. Understood? So here 216 you have to write the expanded form 200 plus 10 plus 6. Like that you have to expand that number. So that what is the hundreds here? 200s are there means 2 C's you have to write. Already we know this. Already we have completed this in the course book. Now we are going to revise this in the application book. Here 200 means CC and 10 means X plus 6 means VI. Without plus you can write this number CCXVI. Remove the plus there and you can write the copy the all numbers together, then you will get the Roman number for this. This Roman number you can copy in the application book. Is equal to CCXVI, you can write like this. Understood? Then you will get the answer. Now I am going to explain the sixth one in this Roman only. What is the sixth one is given 2548. 2548 given. You have to write the answer here. First you have to complete this sum in the rough part. Otherwise you can complete there only. If the place is there in that place means you can write the rough in that application book only and write the answer here. So here 2548 you have to write as expanded form 2000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 8 you can write this. 2000 means you have to write 2 m's for the thousands. 1 m is 1000, 2000 means 2 m's you have to write. And plus 500 direct answer is there, 500 for D you have to write for 500. And 40 means 40, and how we can get the 40? We have no direct answer for the 40. We have to subtract the 10 from 50. 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 means L minus X. L minus X means what you have to write? X you have to write before L. X L. X L means we have to subtract the X from L. Okay. So that 8 is V I. V means 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Like that you have to. Remove the plus there, you can write symbols together. Then we will get the Roman number for the given number. M, D, X, L, D, X, L and V, I. Like that you have to write the Roman numeral for the given Hindu Arabic number. We have Hindu Arabic numbers are there. We have to write the Roman numerals for the given numbers. Understood? Now H Roman. So in H Roman here Roman numbers are given. We have to write the Hindu Arabic numbers for the Roman numerals. So now I am going to explain the second one here. You can do the first one easily. In second one I am going to explain here. So here D, C, X is given. So when you are going to write the answer here, first you have to complete this in rough book or notebook. Okay. So D, C, X. we can write as D is other symbol, we can write D separately, and C, 3 C's are there, means you can write 3 C's and put plus separately you can write, and X you can write separately. Separate the symbols according to the like symbols are there, means you can write as a group. Okay, here D you can write the answer for D means 500, plus 3 C's are there, means 300, plus X means 10. So 500, 300 you can add these answers. So 500, 300, 800, 800 plus 10, 810 will be the Roman, 810 will be the Hindu Arabic number for the Roman number. Understood? You can write this 810 in your application book like this. Okay. Now I am going to explain the fifth one here. So here also in fifth one, M you can write M D C C C X I. So you can write M plus D plus C plus X plus I there. So M means 1000 you can write, plus D means 500, plus 3 C's means 300, plus 10 X means 10, 3 I's means 3. Like that you can write the all answers for all symbols. So here you can add this 1500, 1500, 1800, 1810, 1813. 1813 will be the answer. This answer you can write copy here in your application book 1813. You can complete the Roman like this. Okay. So what we discussed in this Roman worksheet 2.4 D to H we discussed. So complete the remaining sums. What sums I explained, first you have to complete those and then complete the remaining sums in this worksheet. Understood? Thank you.